It's Sunday the 15th of October 2017, and it's been I got into my caravan on Wednesday night, so I spent quite a few nights in the caravan. I'm just totally amazed at the difference in lifestyle it's brought already. Now, these trees were planted and they all came back to life. They got a bit hit back by the frost, but they're all alive, and they got leaves coming out, so they're all alive. But this one was dead, and we prayed for it and hoped that it would come back to life like this, but it didn't. And so Jim broke it off, but right down the bottom here you can see it's come back to life. Now the amazing thing was that I prayed for it and I said, Father, if it's possible for this tree to come back to life, or if you want me to have a wife, may this tree come back to life. And it never did. And now it has, in the most unlikely way. And again, if this had sprung up before the frost would have killed it off. So it's come back to life. So maybe there's hope for me too. We'll see how this tree goes, whether it springs up. I'll give it a water now, and the rest is in God's hands. An insect could come along and eat it. Something else could happen. Could get too dried out, but I just pray that it takes root. So thank you, Lord, there is life from the dead. I just thank you for my caravan, Father. I'm really enjoying it. In fact, I think I'll go for a walk out to my caravan and just have a look around. So there's the golf shed where I built the caravan, and there's the house. So let's see what's happening. Mark and Adam are out the back having a chat. Adam's left, but he's come back, dropped some rubbish off and have a chat. Mark's got his first swarm of bees yesterday. I might take a video of that. And there's my caravan just hiding out the back. There's my two caravans. So I've got two caravans and a trailer and a car. So I've got 3 registered vehicles, and the trick will be to get this caravan registered as well. It's looking quite pretty. Still a bit rough. A lot to work on, but yeah, real happy. Lots of work still to do on it. So that's there to protect the door from the cat scratching. I might put a little door there, a little wood door on the inside, stop the cat from scratching. It's just stuck on with some tape at the moment. So yeah, there's my bed. Just got these shabby old curtains that were there. They'll be replaced by blinds or curtains or a combination. Probably put blinds along that way. Still got to clean all this crap off here. Yeah, had a bit of a crisis last night when I was thinking about this whole thing. Because the cooker that I was going to put in there doesn't quite fit. And I was wondering what to do. Do I change the sink? And I've decided not to put gas in here at all, but to use an induction cooker. And I won't put it here, and won't put it in there. I'll just sit it on top of here on a wooden thing that's cut out from the bench top when I put the bench top in. And I'm either going to put this MDF in, or preferably a nice wooden bench, but I have to find one on Gumtree that's for free, a wooden table, and cut it to size, hopefully one that's not too thick and heavy. So we'll see what happens. So anyway, I've still got to work on all of that there. But yeah, this is just a great little thing. Got room for my my clothes washing and vacuum and rubbish, and filing cabinet. Anyway, lots to do. This is really working out, this little thing here, where I can put all my cat stuff down. I just had that curtain here last night, I had it open, closed, and that's really wonderful because it means I can just get dressed in privacy without turning the light off. Because I like to have that window open. So I really think, just to make it easy, I think I'll just have blinds on these two end walls, just to make it go boom, it's up. But maybe for the sides I may have curtains. I think that's probably what I'll do. Yeah. And I may go for something with blue in it, I may not. I'll just have a think about all that. Yeah, the skylight is really working out well. Just absolutely love it. Love it. I haven't got the fly screen on because it looks ugly, and it makes it more difficult to open this up and close it. I may just leave it like that, to be honest. See how we go with flies and mosquitoes. May have to put the fly screen on. I may make it so the fly screen goes on temporarily and comes off. I just stash it somewhere. I don't know. Whatever. I'm so glad I didn't spend a whole lot of money on this. I'm glad I just did what I did. Yeah. Now I think I have to have a fly screen to stop the mosquitoes getting in, but whatever. It's just made such a difference to my lifestyle, just having this. It's just unbelievable. Really glad to have moved in. Look, I can make my cheese toasties. I've got that toaster there. Everything. All I need is my induction cooker and I'm away. So this week I've got to spend just paying off my car repairs. So I've got to pay a loan off to a couple of people. Got about $500 or $600, and I just need to salt away another $600 or $700, and I got everything paid off. So yeah, should do that this week. There's my cat. We've had some incidents where I've opened the door and I've knocked him because he's been sitting perched on that little piece of tree stump. There's my little sukkah. I kind of threw it together, didn't use it, but I at least kind of put it on the last day of Sukkot. Just kind of threw it there. So I kind of made a sukkah. But next year I'd really like to be more organised. Yeah, so I'll give you a shot from the outside, what we look like. Yeah, here's my little caravan. So I'm a homeowner. I've got 2 caravans and a car. And I've got my trailer over here. The bees are buzzing. Look at them. Tim's bees are buzzing everywhere. So yeah, that's what I want to put. A little toilet, shower, laundry and sink. And it's all going to fit in there really marvellously. So that's what I'll do. I'll make it detachable so it just comes off. And so I've got all the amenities I need. All of that will be solar powered as well. Yeah.